Well, hi everybody. This is Tom Drogon Custom Guitars again. This is the ground. Okay, soldered at the claw. Comes through the hole, comes out here, and should be the southmost, the bottom on the volume pot. Going north or uphill, we hit the green and silver one. With the volume, we have the green and the silver, we have the red, then we have black, then we have white going from bottom to up. With the tone, we have black, white going from bottom to up. And the northmost, the top, goes back around to the output jack, whereas you can see this line goes from the middle on the volume into the humbucker, and then here we have the bottom two relaying from tone to the top two of volume pot.